to our YouTube channel. My name is Kafaro Gabdil, and I studied from Tolo Senior Secondary School, Form 2-1, Kampala, Uganda. So today I'm here with my, you can see here that something in front of me, some small instruments, all objects. I will have two stones and I will have a sheet of paper, our sheet of paper. So for today, we are going to look about weathering. So we are just going to demonstrate the physical weathering of stones or rocks using abrasion. So I have two types of stones here. So as you can see, I have this stone here on the left side and the right, and another stone on the right side. But if you try to look closely, these stones are just different. Maybe they are different, or they're different. Like if their nature is different. We can see this first stone is somehow like like fixed like that, but it's not more hard. And you can see this stone is just a bit more even heavier than the other one. So if you are trying to demonstrate or to give the differences of these stones, you can say this is a hard stone. This is a hard stone compared to this. So meaning, if this is a hard stone, then this one is a soft stone. So we have a soft stone and a hard stone. So I'm just going to demonstrate the physical weathering of the stones. As I'm going to demonstrate the physical weathering, they are telling us to rub the two stones against each other over the white piece of paper. So here is our white piece of paper, and they're telling us to rub these two stones on the white closely, to rub them across each other, such that we can get the result, or we can see the observation, what's happening. So as I do this, I'm going to start rubbing these two stones against each other, and we see that below them I will have a piece of paper. So what's the use of this piece of paper? It's just collecting some small particles that will be falling, such that you can see them clearly. So I'll get these two stones. So let me start rubbing them as our rules say, as our guidelines say. So I begin rubbing them to each other. So they are telling us to just rub them continuously for 3 minutes. Remember, we are talking about physical weathering. So this is a physical weathering that I'm doing. So what I'm doing, I'm just carrying out the physical weathering of stones. But they said I should do this continuously for 3 minutes. Remember, I'm using two types of stones. I'm using the soft stone and the hard stone. The soft stone is just on my left, and the hard stone is on my right. So as you see here, I think we were told that we should do this experiment continuously for 3 minutes. But after 3 minutes, we can see our observation. Here down, we have something like it's in powder form, here, and we have just got this after rubbing the two stones. That is the hard stone, that's the soft stone, and the hard stone. But if you try to look closely to this soft stone, like the way it was, it's flat form. It has now changed, because it was a bit like a wide road somehow. But after rubbing this stone, it has reduced on its size. And if we see the hard stone, it was like this. Nothing has changed on the hard stone, meaning that these two stones are different. So after rubbing the soft stone with the hard stone, we just got the result, and that result was the most powder, or the substance. The result that we have on our piece of paper is just from the soft stone that we have just rubbed against the hard stone. So our questions are saying, what do you see on the sheet of paper after rubbing? So what do you see on the piece of on the sheet of paper after rubbing? Yeah, you answer that question in the comment section, submit there. The second question is saying what happened to the size of the stone you rubbed? Remember, I'll just explain this. I said that these two stones are very different. We have the hard stone and the soft stone. But if you look at its surface where we have been rubbing, it has now changed. At first it was a bit broad, but you can see now it has changed to, it has now flattened, meaning that the size or the surface that was here I've just rubbed it against the hard stone, and it combined by folding down, and to make this substance on our white sheet of paper. And you can see the hard stone here. For it, after rubbing, it remained constant, nothing changed about it. So meaning that this soft stone reduced in size, because they are saying what happened after the size of the stones you rub, meaning that our answer must be for the hard stone remained the same, while the soft stone reduced on its size. Our third question is saying what natural process can reduce the similar effect of the rocks? So I think I should answer this question. They are saying what other natural source can do the same or can act the same as we have done it. Like, so meaning that they just want the effects or that can make weathering to carry out, or like what helps or what are those conditions necessary for the weathering. Yeah, so the natural processes, the one that what I can say temperature is one of them. Yes, because in the presence of temperature, remember this temperature heats up these stones and rocks, and for a long time, after a long time, you will see now these stones will just break up, will just break down, forming weathering to occur. So another process, just comment it down in our comment section. So our fourth question is saying what product do the white sheet of paper represent above the natural processes? Yeah, so I think you also answered that question down. So that's how our experiment has gone over demonstrating the physical weathering by abrasion. Thank you for watching.